Hi everybody, I am Debbie Belaus with Feel Good Qigong, and I want to show you a quick 5-minute elixir if you're having brain fog. You know that feeling sometimes where you just can't think straight, nothing seems to be going right. And this is called crossing over, and this helps with that feeling of not feeling, you're kind of really feeling off in the head. It's a great thing to do maybe before you start your day, getting on with your day. It's really good if you're in the middle of something where you really need to keep your focus and you just can't seem to. This is a really good thing to do. So crossing over. So why do we cross over? Because energy moves in many different directions. And we have the right part of our brain that works our left side of our body. We have the left side of our brain that works the right side of our body. And there's this crossover energy right here from the brain to the body. And we tend to be very linear, which means we don't move our energy in many different directions. We're very linear adults. We don't move like we did when we were children in many different directions. And we certainly don't do crossovers. Like, when do you do that? So this movement is going to be doing that. It's crossing over your energy. And we're first going to just rub our hands together and get some warmth within the hands, getting some of that chi going. And then take one of your shoulders. Let's take the left side of the shoulder. Give yourself a little squeeze here. And then you take your hand and you cross your hand right down the side of your body. You take the other side, a little bit of a squeeze, and you cross it over and shake it out. Other side, cross it over and shake it out. Other side, cross it over and shake it out. And you just do this for a few minutes or a minute. Do it for like about a minute. It's really nice to do. And you're inhaling through the nose, exhale out through your mouth while you're doing this. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. And now we're going to start tapping our hand to our knee. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Now switch hand to opposite knee, crossing over. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Shake your hands out, another crossover. Palms of the hands come together, elbows even with your shoulders, right at your head. You're going to bring your arms over to your left as you look over to your right. Here's a crossover. Back to center, arms over to your right, head comes to the left, crossing over. Back to center, arms over to one side, head to the opposite side, and crossing over one more time. We're crossing over this energy and then release. And then we'll do one more crossover. We're going to cross one ankle over the other. Doesn't matter which one. Find your balance. So engage your inner thighs a little bit so you don't feel like you're going to fall over. The palms of the hands are going to touch. The backs of the hands touch. You're going to cross over the one wrist over the other. You interlace the fingers and then you scoop the arms in. And then 3 deep breaths here. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. One more. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Then uncross your ankles, switch sides with your ankles, cross over the other ankle, release the arms, release your fingers, and then cross over opposite wrist. And then interlace the fingers again, scoop it in, inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth, inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. One more time, inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Then release your arms, your ankles, one hand to the back of your head, one hand to the forehead, soften those knees, 3 soft breaths. As you quiet down your whole system, bringing some blood flow to your head. And then you can release your arms and you should be good to go. Hope this helps and I hope you have a really great